Good day everyone. In order to understand a software tester or a quality assurance analysis does, first you need to understand the process of software development life cycle and so-called SDLC. There are 6 key points to understand the software development life cycle. First point, planning. Second point, analysis. Third point, design. Fourth point, implementation. Fifth point, testing and integration. And the last point is maintenance. So let me start with an example. A customer has his own business idea for an invoice application, and finally he met our company project manager and due to accept this project. So this will be moved to the first phase, planning the requirement. Both of the customer and the project manager have agreed with the outline of the requirement of application, which are 1. User registration. 2. Login. 3. Logout. And 4 is menu dashboard. Throughout this, we'll be running a multiple iteration of SDLC, which new requirement will be added. Now, we move to the next phase, which are requirement analysis. In this phase, the team of this project, such as project manager, software developer, and the software tester, will be discussed to define each outline requirement and give more specific detailed planning. All of this requirement has been analyzed by the team and define requirement and create these requirements in the project management system. Next, we move to the third phase, which is design phase. The design phase takes all the requirement and start to plan the product. The design phase may include the business rule, user interface design, color schemes, layout, or programming language to develop the application, and so on and so forth. Now, we move to the fourth phase, which are implementation phase. In this phase, the developer will start with coding. Designer will continue to design their user interface, and the tester will be analyze the requirement and start to build the test cases for the test plans. Next, we move to the most important phases in SDLC, which are testing and integration. Why this phase is so important? Imagine the developer has finished coding of the new feature in the requirement, but there are a bug of the system that may cause customer have lost huge of money if we didn't have tester to test this type of things beforehand. So the tester is to test and execute the test cases from the test plan and to validate all the requirements that have been met. All of the functionality is working as expected. Then we need to find as many bugs as we can, such as critical issue that make people cannot log out from the system or application. So tester will need to report all of these bugs to a bug tracking system, and the developer will fix the bug. Now, the last phase is the maintenance phase. After we release the application, we need to maintain the server in the environment, and they need to monitor the load of the server that doesn't bring down the system, and many other things to do in maintenance phase. In summarize, we have discussed the process of SDLC, which are first, planning, second, analysis, third, design, Fourth, implementation. Fifth, testing and integration. And the last is maintenance. This is the storytelling of SDLC from me. That's all. Thank you.